Yeah, that's really creepy. There's a deer over there. Hello, Mr. Deer. You can stay over there. Hey guys, we're back in the 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale Ti all-wheel drive. And I just wanted to give a quick POV night perspective of this vehicle. I think it's got some really cool ambient lighting. I think it looks really cool at night. So this will be more so a, me showing you what the car looks like at night rather than me talking about the specs and stuff. But man, I really do like those LED headlights, really sharp. These are the dynamic bending ones. They turn with the steering wheel around corners. This also does have some lights that shoot out the side that show you what's, where you're turning and stuff like that. It's really cool. This thing looks really sharp at night. This is finished in Rosso red. It's a $500 option. And this LED light strip in the back really looks sharp. Definitely sets it apart from other cars on the road. It's very unique. Now, I've had this for about a week now. I just finished filming a POV, I guess, long-term review on it, so stay tuned. Actually, by the time you see this, it's probably already uploaded. But man, look at this, guys. Really sharp. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing for a spin at night. Now, the back seat does get a little bit of lighting. You can see, maybe barely, there's a light up on the roof here that shines down in the center there. Same with the front here. But the main ambient lighting is in the center dash here, which you can control in the infotainment and turn it to green, white, yellow, or red. So there's not going to be a ton of talking in this video. I just really wanted to showcase what this thing is like to drive at night. So this is going to be kind of a more silent video. If you guys want to go check out what this thing has been like to live with for the past week, go ahead and check out my POV driving impressions video. I'll link it in the description below. So you actually are able to turn this touchscreen off too. You just go to the controls section in the infotainment and hit screen off, and it turns it off. It makes it a lot less distracting, which is nice. But as you can see, that really nice red panel over there, and you do get some lighting on the floor. That's just like a static white. You can't really change that. Really nice set of headlights on this vehicle, really nice set of brights on this vehicle as well. Automatic high beams. There's a deer over there. Hello, Mr. Deer. You can stay over there. Probably didn't pick that up on camera. But as I slow down here, if you look to the right, you'll see a light jarred out to the side. See? Turn on so you can see the corner. Turn it off. High beams take over until this guy pops over the hill. You get a couple different displays in this gauge cluster. If you hit the view button on the on the wiper stock, you get this more calmer screen that doesn't show anything on the left and right. If you hit it again, it'll bring up this retro screen. But you know what? I think I'm going to put it on the calm screen. There's a lot of deer in this area, so I'm not going to really, fly down these roads at 55 miles an hour at night, especially these back ones. But yeah, as I approach this stop sign and turn right, you can see that light turn on. really helpful. You can see the gas engine kicked on there as I put a little bit more than 50% throttle down. It's really seamless. I covered that in my POV driving impressions video. Apologize if you hear some of that rattling. It's a little case that I have down in the door for my GoPro. But overall, I've enjoyed my time in this car this week. This car is very, very comfortable. It's fun to take on road trips. It's fun to throw around corners. It accelerates really great. Honestly, if I was in the market for a small crossover SUV, this would definitely be a #1 contender. I've driven quite a few small crossovers, and this one stands out from all the others for sure. Disable the automatic high beam since we're back in the city. You can hear the gas motor is kicking on here. You have the ability to go in all electric by switching it into A mode. Kind of eerie driving this at night with no noise and the ghost sounds that it makes. All right. Well, that concludes the POV night drive of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Tonale Ti. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely see that it's got, parking sensors in the front and it's showing the camera and stuff. Pretty cool. But definitely stay tuned for more videos like this. Let me know if you guys like this and if it would be something you'd like to see more often when we have some cool ambient lighting. Yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, you know what? I wonder what the electric noise sounds like. Here, let's listen. Yeah, that's really creepy to hear in the middle of nowhere like this at night. That's super creepy. Anyways, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe. I'll definitely be uploading some more videos soon. And take care. See you in the next one.